So I have some very important data for Dogecoin and the overall crypto market. And I think this is exactly what every Doge and crypto holder should know. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section below. Good luck! So I know that Doge hasn't been able to perform better after last week's pumps driven by Elon Musk. It is now sitting around the 16 and 17 cents range after touching the 21 cents level last week. Now as Doge has been trading in red, I know many holders are somewhat anxious. But the good thing is that Dogecoin appears to snap out of November's downtrend. This is because we are now seeing that bulls are trying to take control since last week when Doge jumped to 21 cents. So the reason I'm quite bullish on Doge is due to the amount of value lost during its month-long downturn. And now it is expected that Doge has hit its bottom of this recent market downtrend. So it is unlikely that Doge will go down below 15 cents from here. Additionally, this recent meltdown encouraged a large number of dip buyers to enter the market. So this is all very bullish for Doge. However, I still expect it to continue consolidating around 15 to 19 cents price range for some months. While there may still be some unexpected challenges in the market next year, I expect Dogecoin's extended price correction to end. And as far as a bullish breakout is concerned, it is highly likely that it is going to happen sometime in March and April of 2022. And I think this bull run will take Doge to 27 cents. And if we see a sustained bull run, it could easily send Dogecoin above 35 cents. And now let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin has remained under immense market pressure, and it hasn't been able to break above the 50K mark. But based on the historical charts, analysts are still hopeful that Bitcoin's price rally to 100K could be coming in 2022. For example, crypto analyst Rekt Capital believes that the current price action is similar to the consolidation phase of May till July. If a similar pattern plays out, Bitcoin could still consolidate and drift lower for another 6 to 8 weeks before resuming the uptrend. And since Bitcoin went for a bull run after it, it is highly likely that Bitcoin will initiate another bull run in 2022. Moreover, crypto market analyst TechDev believes that Bitcoin is still in the same macro position compared to the previous two halving cycles. And it means that there will be some intense periods of volatility, followed by a late-stage rally and a blow-off top period. So the point is that crypto analysts are still hopeful that Bitcoin can end the year above 50K and kick off early 2022 with a new all-time high. And this eventually means that Dogecoin will follow the price trajectory of Bitcoin. This is because the price correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin is pretty high. It is currently standing around 0.95, which is significantly higher than any other crypto. All in all, this is yet another bullish indicator for Doge. And now let's come to some important crypto updates for a minute. So crypto exchange Binance has recently formed a joint venture with a consortium led by Telkom Indonesia's $830 million venture capital arm. With this initiative, Binance aims to expand the blockchain ecosystem in Indonesia with the development of a new Indonesian-based crypto exchange. And this is an important update since it will make crypto trading by millions of Indonesian traders a lot easier and convenient. And this will also encourage others to get exposure to the crypto space. So this will eventually increase crypto adoption. And another major update coming from Binance is that its U.S. office has onboarded its first ever chief risk officer in the form of Sydney Majalia from Intel Corp. Majalia has served as the vice president, legal, and chief compliance officer at the largest U.S. semiconductor maker, and he is expected to bring his expertise into crypto regulations. So this is yet another important step taken by Binance because this hiring will mitigate crypto-related frauds and scams on Binance. And since we have recently seen a plethora of scams, I think this initiative by Binance should be acknowledged. And now coming to the next update, we are now seeing that investment management firm Van Eck is expanding its crypto offerings by adding 2 new ETN, tracking the performance of Avalanche and Polygon. The investment management company has already launched such products on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and Tron. So it is great to see it expanding its funds with other cryptos. And now we are seeing that major investment firms are not only interested in Bitcoin-backed funds, but others as well. And this is why I see it as an important update. And with that being said, let's come to Shiba Inu for a minute. So we are now seeing that despite the extended downtrend in the market, whales and investors have been very much interested in Shiba Inu. And just recently, SHIB has again taken top token position by dollar value among the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets. And this rise of SHIB token holding among Ethereum wallets indicates a growing accumulation by whales. So this is a good sign for Shiba Inu, and this could eventually lead it to grow in value. And another good sign for SHIB is that its burn rate is increasing day by day. In fact, we are now seeing that Stephen Cooper, owner of Bigger Entertainment, has recently tweeted that over the next 60 days, his team expects to double their SHIB burn rate. Now it is important to note here that Bigger Entertainment was the first crypto record label that accepted Shiba Inu for music, merchandise, tickets to events, and NFTs. And now they are planning to burn these coins. And as we know that SHIB gets burned during burn parties, the upcoming one is to take place the next day after Christmas or on December 26. So this is going to be important for SHIB since we know that an increasing burn rate means the price of the token will also increase. Besides this, we are seeing that SHIB's adoption is rising steadily. And just recently, VR World, the largest virtual reality experience center in North and South America, has announced that it will now accept Shiba Inu as a payment option on its platform. VR World will be accepting a few other cryptos along with Shiba Inu in collaboration with the payment processor BitPay. This also means that purchases with Shiba Inu will be possible at merchants who already accept BitPay or where digital gift cards can be bought via its wallet app. All in all, we are now seeing that Shiba Inu is getting mainstream adoption, and this will eventually help it to get out of this downtrend. And now let's talk about Ethereum. So as per a recent report from crypto analytics company Santiment, Ethereum's leading smart contract platform is facing a sell-off based on several parameters. And despite the recent rise in Ethereum's supply on exchange platforms, Santiment believes that this is a bear signal and that the general crypto market has rebounded. And the report has stated that the MVRV7D indicator, which evaluates the short-term profit and loss of holders, is indicating that ETH is currently in a danger zone. But the good thing for Ethereum here is that big whales are not afraid of the recent market trends as they have increased their ETH holdings recently. As per recent data, billionaire addresses with 100K to 10 million Ethereum have accumulated almost $5.5 billion of ETH tokens since October 1st. This means that they have added about 3% more to their bags in these past 3 months. Now this is a massive boost to Ethereum as Bridgewater Associates founder and co-chief investment officer Ray Dalio has supported Ethereum. In a recent interview, he revealed that other than Bitcoin, he also now holds a small amount of Ethereum. In addition, Dalio expressed his admiration of the overall crypto space, terming its growth as impressive. Overall, we are now seeing that despite the current downtrend, investors' interest is rising in Ethereum, and this will eventually give a boost to its price. And this is actually good for the overall altcoin markets. This is because ETH is a leading altcoin, and if it is going to rebound from here, then it is highly likely that coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will also rise. And now let's come back to Bitcoin and see some important data. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin may be flagging below 50K for some days now, but its bull market is actually 3 years old this month. March 2020 marked a brief return to near cycle lows in what had otherwise been a solid bull market ever since December 2018. At that time, Bitcoin capitulated to lows of $3,100, a level that was never seen and likely never will be seen again. And compared to this year's 69K peak, Bitcoin investors have now had exposure to as much as 2,000% gains. So the point is that Bitcoin surged massively after hitting the bottom at that time, and now it is highly likely that it will do the same in early 2022. And as I said before, analysts are still hopeful that Bitcoin can end the year above 50K and kick off early 2022 with a new all-time high. There's popular crypto analyst Michael Vandepop who believes that there is a possibility of another drawdown to the 44K range. But it will then be followed by a return to the current levels for a brief consolidation period, and then we'll see a resumption of the uptrend that will take Bitcoin to new highs. And if this happens, Bitcoin, as a market leader, will be able to bring an end to this extended downtrend of the overall crypto market. Moreover, we have just seen that Ethereum is also looking good in the long term. And I think this will also help the overall market's recovery. And eventually, we are going to see coins like Doge rally high next year.